Here's a good exercise if you don't know that many to do with the Bosu ball. Mountain climbers. So if you don't really like them and don't like to kick your own butt, then this may not be the right exercise for you, but it is a good one and it is a little bit more challenging with the Bosu as opposed to not using the Bosu. So let me show you how it's done. Hope you enjoy it. So the key with doing the Bosu ball correctly with the mountain climbers is keeping your butt down. Keeping the butt down helps to keep pressure off the shoulders and keep it on the stronger muscles, the pecs. So the way you want to do this is think of it as doing a straight arm plank, only instead of doing it static where you're not moving, in this case your lower half is moving. So you're keeping your core tight, pecs engaged. So you want to, once again, hands on the sides. Doesn't matter if it's on the pointy side or not, except for your comfort. So if you don't like the pointy side, then don't do that side. Feet back. You could put one foot forward, doesn't matter which one you start with, and you're going to alternate, keeping the hips down. Now there's other modifications of this where you can potentially bounce like so, but of course that's not a true mountain climber, it's just a hybrid exercise. So similar to the flat side up, if I do the round side up, here's the center of the ball, I want my hands one on each side of that center, feet back behind me. Once again, doing the mountain climbers, I would shoot for anywhere from 30 to 60 seconds. Short rest in between, do it again. Good way to get the heart rate going. Of course, if that's a bit much for you initially, then obviously try less time and then work your way up. It's good exercise. So if you like Bosu exercises, check out the rest of the videos in the series. I'm ongoing making some more. How many I'm going to do, I'm not sure yet. But if you have any requests, feel free to let me know in the comment box below. Maybe I'll do one of those videos. All right, enjoy your day.